Hello friends, today I am going to show the special project, that is how to make a PLDC motor by using permanent magnet both rotor and stator. Generally permanent magnet are used in the rotor and electromagnet are used in the stator, but permanent magnet is not used because switchable magnetic flux is provided in the stator. But how to add the permanent magnet? So here the permanent switchable permanent magnet is added in the stator also, it is possible. So the world is going to search various energy saving project, okay, that is how to conserve the energy and how to save the energy and how to find the renewable energy sources. But here I am going to search how to reduce the energy energy of the electrical equipment or energy efficient motor. That is my project. PLDC motor using switchable magnets. Okay, this is the special type motor. Now before going to the what is switchable magnet, hello, hello friends, first I want to explain mechanically operated magnetic switch. Figure 1, a two thick plate, between the two thick plate two neodymium magnets are provided. The both ends are same pole, so there is a high magnetic force and attract the plate. Here look at this, two neodymium magnets provided in the thick plate. Now here magnetic force is there and attract the. Now I want to change the poles of the bottom magnet. Okay, here the bottom magnet poles are changed, south poles are opposite side. So what happens, there is no force of attraction. Look at this, because the poles are opposite nature, it was short circuited by the two plates. There is no force between the two plates. This is the switchable, mechanically operated switchable magnets. Now I am going to explain electrically operated switchable magnet. Okay, hello friends, now I want to explain electrical operated permanent magnet switch. Okay, here two poles are opposite nature, so the two poles are short circuited by the two plates. There is no force of attraction at the bottom. Okay, bottom or top. Okay, this here look at this, two plate and two permanent magnets are provided either side and middle electromagnets provided. Okay, now I want to switch on the electromagnet and what the power consumptions, okay, and what is the force. First I want to show it. Okay, here the electromagnet and the leads are connected to the power source, and this is the power monitor. The electromagnet, now the switch on the power supply, the electromagnet consume 10.25 watts. Here there is a force but not sufficient to lift the metal plate. Look at this. Now add the both side on permanent magnet. Now I am going to switch on. Okay, the plate is attracted by the switchable magnet. Okay, here it repel the one pole and attract the other side. Okay, so only one pole is okay. The when you add the magnet, the power consumption is also same. Okay, look at this. Now I am going to change the power supply. What happens? Okay, switch on. The positive supply is given in the black wire and the negative supply is given in the red wire. Now I am going to switch on. What happens? The plate is high magnetic forces existed and attract the plate. Okay, here now the magnet is attracted. That means there is some opposite poles forces existed. So what is the conclusion? Okay, when a given supply, the electromagnet positive and minus plus and minus supply is given, the power voltage is 3 volt and the power consumption is 10 watts less force. Okay, when the electromagnet with permanent magnet supply is given 3 volt and power consumption is 10 watts, but high north pole is north pole at the bottom. North pole magnetic force is at the bottom. Okay, when the supply leads are okay, when the electromagnet with the permanent magnet, the poles, the color, what is mean, the positive is given to the black wire and the negative is given to the red wire. So the power supply is changed. So 3 volt applied, 10 watts consumed, but high south pole is provided. Okay, from this, using the electromagnet only less magnetic force, using switchable permanent magnet high magnetic force at bottom north pole, using switchable permanent magnet polarity change, high magnets force at the bottom south pole, and power consumption is same at all steps of experiments. Okay, this is the conclusion. So here this is the switchable permanent magnet I used in the PLDC motor. Okay, now if you like this project, please subscribe and press the bell button and also press the like button. And next I am going to the introduction of switchable electromagnet in the PLDC motor in the part 2. Okay, I want to explain in the part 2. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Thank you very much.